Hello and welcome to Fortrade. Now I will explain how you can enter a trading position as suggested by our market opportunity. Today's market opportunity is showing that the US dollar Japanese yen currency pair is likely to go up during the day and in the medium term. In the long term, expectations are that the price will go down. So let's go back to what we can expect for today. That is, to focus on the intraday column. When we look at this table, we can see that the pivot point is 112.762. This should be our entry point. As we expect that the price will go up, our take profit should be at the resistance lines and stop loss at support lines, as suggested in the table. Our first target is at resistance 1, which you can see here is 113.137. Our second is at resistance 2, which is 113.565. And our third at resistance 3 is 113.913. Accordingly, our stop losses should be at support 1, that's 112.417, support 2, which is 112.072, and support 3, which is 111.733. Now, let's place the order in MetaTrader 4. Right-click on the currency pair in the Market Watch section and click on New Order. A new window will open and now you can fill it in. First, we need to determine the volume of the trade. Next, we will set the stop loss level. And then the take profit level. If the current price is very close to our entry point, we will choose the default type, instant execution. You can also use the trailing stop option. A trailing stop advances the price of a stop loss in the direction of the order, pip after pip. The trailing stop is active once the order becomes at least as profitable as the number of pips determined for the consecutive stop. The idea of using a trailing stop is to manage risk and to protect gains by keeping a trade open and in profit, as long as the price is moving in the right direction, and then closing the trade if the price changes for a specified price difference that you choose when you place your trade. A trailing stop thus tracks the instrument's price direction, so it can gain the maximum possible profit of the specific trade order. The best way to use a trailing stop is to set the level that isn't too tight or too wide. So, you can set the trailing stop if you right-click on your order. The trailing order will appear. You can choose a trailer order from a minimum 60 points and above. If you want to choose a trailing order higher than shown, you can click on Custom to enter. But you decide to place a 100 point or 10 pip trailing stop order on it to protect your order. You can see that the order level has now appeared on the screen. If the price goes down by 10 pips or more, the trailing stop will be triggered. But if the trading price moves up, it will follow your position and move in your direction. If the price makes a correction against you, the trailing stop will close your position. It's very important to remember that a trailing order placed on MT4 will only be active while the platform is running. If you close the MT4 platform or shut down your computer, the trailing order will no longer be active. By the way, you can use the trailing stop order with any trading strategy, but most trading professionals advise that most benefit is gained when trading on medium or long-term trends. In order to take advantage of medium or long-term trends, we can remove the intraday take profit level by right-clicking on Modify or Delete Order. Then we set the take profit box to 0. Then click Modify. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Please join us at Fortrade again soon.